In Excel, there are different type of data types in Excel. Number, we have text, we have logical, we have date and time. And I mean, some people can say error is also a type of data. It's one of data types for Excel. Yes, these are numbers. In Excel, numbers are aligned to the right, but texts are aligned to the left automatically. This is a number. I wrote 88 and it's aligned to the right. But if I write Joshua to be aligned to the left, that is text and numbers. Automatically, Excel aligns text to the left and numbers to the right. So we also have logical type of this thing. Some in Python we call this Boolean values. Those are true or false. Here true represents 1 and false represents 0. I'll start from cell B2. Let's say we want to do a quick analysis on our last quarter, the last 3 months, which are July, August, September. Yes, July, August, September. I can just write July 06. I can just write 06 2025. No, July is 7 2024. I can write 07 08 2025. Let's say we have expenses, we have rent. Assuming you pay rent, you have feeding. Let's say we have fare. You have let's say you have miscellaneous. What's more? How much do you? Let's say you have some utility bills you want to pay. Utility bills. And let's say we have the total. So first, let's deal with this date. I didn't mean your own date is not like this. So this is the number section of. You can find number section in the home tab. All these are tabs. And this is a section. This is alignment section in the home tab. This is a font section in the home tab. This is a keyboard section in the home tab. Stuff like that. So on the home tab, come to number, and you can format number. You can choose. Let's choose numbers. And just choose dates. We are dealing about dates here. So you can choose long dates. You can choose short dates. And now I've scattered it now. It's no more showing the way it was showing before. I have long dates and short dates here. Now where is the August 2025? I'll just come to one number format, come to dates, and you'll see options here. Options you can choose from. Okay. But if you notice, you will see that the options here does not have this August 25. You have 14th of March, 3, 4, 2012. These are the formats you have. This is March 2025. Now let's assume we want to write 2025 instead of July 25. We want it to be June 2025 in this same format, but it's not here. What I have here is Wednesday, full date, short date. We only have June 25, July 25. What if that 25 is a day? Are we talking about day? But we are talking about year, 2025 year, not the 2025. So now we can change it by coming to all the options here. Does not have June 2025, so we can change it by coming here. Just come to custom and select your type. I'll press highlight. Then I want my month to show the first 3 characters. Then I want it to be separated with an hyphen, and I want the full year to show, not just the abbreviation of the year to 2 digits. I want the full year, so I'll press year 3 times or 4 times, which is 4 letters. So now it's showing July 2025. So I will press OK. So this is how I want it to be. A few number of us have had issues with changing phone numbers and stuff like that. So custom, not here. I want it this one. Okay, we do it for this also. So that's just that about it. Next, let's say our rent. Okay, let's leave it in and buy that numbers, but I'll just use random numbers. 1,800, 500, miscellaneous 300, utility let's say 150, and everything descending order. Okay, you know this is not a real data, so our analysis might be off real. Let's assume they are in. So miscellaneous is not showing fully well. You can just double click this thing, or if you have a data, if you have a data set that you have a data set now, and let's say assume you have a data set like this now, and some of the this thing are not showing well. You can just come to the middle of two columns and just adjust the width. You right click and you adjust the width like this, or you can come to rows and adjust the width. You can come to the row and adjust the height like this. Or if you like this data set now, I will do for column A, B, C, D, E, F. So you can just come here, click this arrow, it will highlight everything. Then you can just double click, so it will open everything. So that's just about that. So like this now, this is not showing very well. Miscellaneous is not showing fully. I just double click and it will automatically expand it. So I have utility as 300. Let me have total here also for you. 300 here. 150. 500. 350. 305. So assume this is our data for the last quarter. You can just do sum. You can sum everything.